The SCOSCHE BTFM5 BTFREQ Universal Bluetooth Car Kit Adapter is perfect for making hands-free calls and wirelessly streaming music from your Bluetooth-compatible device to your vehicle's radio with a crystal clear, crisp sound. You can stream audio files using your device's Bluetooth or using the 3.5mm output on your device with the included 3.5mm aux audio cable. Enjoy crystal clear calls inside noisy vehicles. Car FM Transmitter Adapter – wirelessly stream music from the digital FM transmitter to your vehicle's FM stereo. Bluetooth Car Kit. Make hands-free calls from your Bluetooth-enabled smartphone over the latest technology. 12 volts powered. Transmitter plugs directly into 12 volts USB charging ports for unlimited transmitting and listening hours. Built-in fast charger and controls. Charge 2 mobile devices with the dual 12W USB-A ports and control BTFREQ's volume up, down, play, pause, answer, hang up the phone or voice controls like Siri and Google Voice. Compatible with multiple devices. Works with all iPhone, iPod, Galaxy, MP3 players, smartphones, USB-A and other mobile devices with a 3.5mm port or Bluetooth. Comes with 3-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I needed. I drive an 05 Chrysler 300 with the large nav screen. I really didn't want to try and upgrade that to a newer, more 2021 compatible radio. This thing works like a charm, and the phone call capabilities are fantastic as well.